Hey there. So this morning I thought I'm going to talk about the GoPro Hero 12. But first, let's go down the steps here. I'm having this one set to full resolution. That's why the picture is so squared. Okay, let's go down the stairs here because with that setting you can see everything. Like the whole stairs. Alright, so it just turned off on me. My battery is 65% and the message on the screen. Okay, so battery was all night in the charger and I'm recording here. Now you see the GoPro turned off because it ran out of battery. Let's say okay. And then we look up here what it says. 63% battery. Okay. I'm gonna record again. 63% battery, look. It's recording. And maybe it works. Oh, there, look at that. Powered off. So I don't know what happened here. So this battery, okay, I just replaced the one inside there. This battery was on the GoPro charger all night. This one on the GoPro charger all night. I mean, okay, it's a third-party battery, not a GoPro battery. But yesterday I ran this battery from 100% down to 1%, and then the thing turned off at 1% on the display. Okay, it was fine. It was, I don't know, 30 gigabyte of video it did. It was a lot. And then I put it on the GoPro charger. And then as I put it in this morning, it started out at 75% charge. It lasted, I don't know, 2 minutes. And then it went dead. I don't know what's wrong here with this battery. The GoPro charger is not charging it. Is it a defective battery? Or is it GoPro? How can it show 63% battery charge and then die? That's weird to me. Alright, so the other thing is I want to go here through the park and talk about the GoPro Hero 12. And now it starts snowing. Rain, snow, that kind of scenario. And I go on to my next step of the walk, and then we talk about the Hero 12 later. Just in a minute, okay? I'm gonna cut this video together that we can talk about it. So we are ready to go across the bridge here. And I was here yesterday already. And I was looking down here. Look at all the ducks. So I was looking down here, and there you can see down there, there's a stainless steel bowl down there. Let the dog not jump off here, but I'm gonna zoom in all the way. See? That's gonna be pixelated now, but it's a stainless steel bowl. So I wonder if we could retrieve it somehow. So this is the first thing that is missing on the GoPros. The GoPro Hero 12 should have that. It should have a wireless microphone. So not an attachment to the camera, but where the camera wireless network is talking to a microphone that is on the same frequency or whatever, where you can wirelessly hook it up to the camera without opening the camera or anything, and have a wireless microphone talk to it, so that when I'm standing over here, I'm waving to you here, that you can still hear me. So that's not possible right now, but that's what I would love to see for the GoPro Hero 12. Right, let's walk over here. Oh, that's what I saw here. Look at that. Somebody threw garbage here. Ah, Lucy, don't go there. This is a molded toasted bread. You know, and they expect the animals to eat it like rotten stuff. It's unbelievable what people think you should give to those animals, where there's signs out where you're not supposed to feed wildlife. So when you enter the park, then you have this sign here. It's always there. So what is so hard to understand when there's a sign like that? The wireless microphone situation on the GoPro Hero 12 would also fix the problem of the Media Mod, because the microphones in the Media Mod are great, but every time you have to change the battery, you have to take the whole thing apart. So that's not cool. And what else does the Media Mod have to offer? It has an external USB-C connector, external, so you don't have to open a door to get to it. Well, you kind of do, there's like a rubber thing around it, but that's what the Hero 12 needs, is a waterproof, and they make those waterproof USB-C connectors. That's what it needs. That would be the second thing we need. And let's talk about the third thing I want in a minute. Have a quick look here at the squirrel in this tree. The dog wants it badly. Look at the tree. Up there it is. Can you see it? It's coming to me. It has a nut. Oh, it makes a noise. Lucy is waiting to eat the squirrel. Alright. Alright, and the last thing I need from the GoPro Hero 12 is like some sort of ND filter inside the camera. Like an ND filter in the camera. Before, like somewhere where the sensor is, something where you can change the ND filter with software, like with the settings on it. So that would be great. Yeah. So that would be something I would be interested in to see in this camera, because the price is already insane, way too expensive, and yeah. Lucy still wants the squirrel here. Lucy, you still want to eat the squirrel? It's up there in the tree. Wow. Hey. Did you see? We were just underwater, and how is my audio quality now? Did the microphones handle this accordingly? Did they? Let's take a look at all the ducks. They're all swimming in one row. Look at that. One swims after another. Isn't that funny? Look, they're all in one row. Where are they going? Oh, they're collecting here. They're hungry. We thought I would give them something to eat. Oh, look at that. Well, Lucy, what do you say? So while I'm going back home, it's too cold for me here. I'm surprised that the camera can handle it. The other battery I put in there, same kind of battery, is 100% charged and it's recording just fine. I resetted all the presets on this camera and then I went back to the full frame mode. That is a 5.3K 8:7 aspect ratio, 30 frames a second, wide angle lens, but it doesn't do this 360, is it called 360, 180, like where you can turn the camera around and the horizon stays stable. That does not work. Let me show you here. So if I turn the camera upside down like this, then it's upside down. That's not cool. So I have to in post. So let me show this now. So now I turn it around in post. So you have to do this after you record it. Well, I would expect the camera to do it. Doesn't. You can't have everything. Look at that, we made it up the stairs. And I don't know if it's upside down now or not. So I hope you enjoyed this short little video. Let me know what you think about GoPro Hero 12. Will there be a 13 after the 12? Or will they jump a number and go from 12 to 14? That's also a question I have. There was the pastor driving here with his car, waiting for me to cross the street. That's so nice. It does have the dark white. What I like about the 8:7 ratio is that you can move the video up or down afterwards. Like in post, you can push the thing around, up or down, whatever you want. That's pretty cool.